Hello everyone, I am Ramakrishna Panda. You are very warm welcome to our tech channel RamakrishnaTech. Please subscribe our tech channel RamakrishnaTech for more videos and visit us at www.ramakrishnatech.com. In this lecture, we will cover Oracle Uninstall. Oracle Uninstall of 19C. If you want uninstall of other version like 10G, 11G or 12G, then you can follow the same steps to uninstall Oracle 19C. Let's go first one document how to uninstall the program, then we will actually go through uninstall step by step. So let's first go through the documents how to uninstall the Oracle. So these are the four steps, basic steps we need to follow for uninstalling the Oracle. Stop Oracle running services, then delete Oracle directory, then delete environment variable, then delete Oracle services in the registry editor. Let's first stop Oracle running services. For that you need to search services, then go to the services and stop all the Oracle services. And if like there are different services running, so like this you can see this is the running status. So if any of the services running, then you click on that services, then here it will come stop, then click on the stop, and after few minutes or few seconds it will stop the services. Then in the sector we need to remove that folder entirely. In the next step you need to go to the your PC, C and program files Oracle, and here you need to remove the inventory. If you are not using Oracle, other tools like different things, only Oracle you have installed, then only Oracle folder also you can remove. So anything you can do in this step. In the next step we need to use, like you search for the environment variables env, or you type environment variables, then it will come environment variables. Then in the environment variable section you will see, like there are different steps you will see. In the environment variable you click on the environment variables, this pop-up will open, then click on system variable path, then click on the edit. It will pop new window. In the new window you will find the Oracle install related path. So this is the Oracle path 19. You can see now for 19 19C, this is the 19 something db home. So this is the Oracle path. Then delete this and click on OK. It will be deleted. In the next step you need to go to the registry editor. So for that you click on the Windows button and click on reg or type full, then it will come, and double click the registry editor. You will found this one. So in this step you can do, like for that there are like different steps, are the different routes are there. You click on the local machine. In the local machine you need to go to the software, and here you will find Oracle. Here four options are there, Oracle related services. You need to right click and delete all one by one. In the next step same, first in the first step we have gone through software. In the second step gone through like system, then you current control set, then services. In the services you just go down, you will see like this. So different Oracle services are there. Like here you can find 6 Oracle services. So remove one by one, then the Oracle complete Oracle uninstall is completed. Okay, let's see. Thank you. So let's do. So in the first step we need to stop the Oracle running services. So click on Windows SER or services you can type, then you can type the services. So let's start on installing now. So in the first step click Windows, then type services, or you can type SER also, services will come, then double click the services. Now once you double click the services you can see this one, this window. Click on this window. Here you will find different services are there. You click on the any of the one services, okay, and go to the Oracle, go down, and Oracle you will find Oracle different services there. So here like different Oracle services are there, and here no Oracle is running. If your Oracle is running, like see, this is running. If I am clicking on this one, then it is asking for stop. Click on the stop. So which Oracle services is running for you? Just see status running, then stop the services one by one. Okay. In the next step, we will go. So this is the first step completed. In the second, we need to go to the Oracle where it is the Oracle is installed. If you have not confirmed that where is the Oracle is there, so we had already gone through the Oracle environment variable. In the environment variable, you will find the path of this folder. Okay, so go to that folder and you can remove this one. So now let's open folder. Now I'm going to this folder. See, okay, then you can click on the delete or click on the right click. Then in this you can click on the delete. So delete this folder. Then in the second step you need to go to the C drive program files. In the program files, Oracle is there, so you need to delete this folder also. Click on delete. It will ask for admin permission. Then remove this Oracle folder. Now this Oracle also removed. In the second step, we have completed the steps. So in the next step, we need to delete Oracle environment variables. So let's go to the environment variable, Windows. You type env, environment variable will come. Then click on the environment variables. Click on the window. You will find this window. Now click on the environment variables. Here environment variable, system variable is coming. So click on the path. Here you can find the path of the variables where this folder we have already removed. Now click on the edit. It will come like this. So now I have selected all. This is already selected Oracle directory. I need to remove this one. So for that you just click on the delete. Now this is removed. Click on the OK. OK. That's it. So now we have already removed the environment variables. In the next step, we need to go for the Oracle registry editor. Let's go for that. Click on the Windows, then click on the REG. Registry editor will display. Double click on the registry. It will ask for the admin permission, and you will find this one. Click on this window. Then we need to remove the Oracle local machines. As we saw, we need to go local machine. Then we need to go these two folders we require. One is the software and one is the system. First go to the software. Then then we need to go to the Oracle, and here Oracle folders as we saw in the documents. Right click, delete. It will ask, click on the delete. Like this, we need to by one all the four folders. I have removed all the folders. Now next go to the after software. We need to go to the system. In the system, go to the current control set, and here we need to go to the services. In the services, we need to go down till Oracle services came. So here you can find different Oracle services are there. You need to right click and you need to delete all the Oracle services. So I am removing one by one. So now we have completed Oracle uninstall successfully. So Next, you can follow the Oracle install steps to install the program. If you are facing again issue in the Oracle installation, then follow the same steps. And if you feel the issue is coming again and again, then you can go through any other like other registry editor, and if any Oracle related things are there, you just search Oracle, then you can remove those things, then you can complete the uninstall. So this is the basic steps for uninstall. Thank you. Appreciate and help heartily with like and subscribe to encourage for more videos. Thank you.